What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Emmanuel Hartnett here. Welcome here to race number 5 here from the Texas Motor Studio for 84 laps here today from Texas. Probably one of the longest races of the year. Sheldon Creed's on the pole, Harrison Burton, Brennan Poole, Stuart Friesen, Kyle Busch, Johnny Sauter, last 6 winner, Ross Chastain, Corey Roper, Brett Moffitt, and Grant Enfinger in the top 10. Norm Benning starts last. I start 27th here. Yeah, National Austin Terrio starts last. So let's get right into the race here. No more talking. Let's get right into the race here. Try to put it in victory lane.
Drivers, start your engine!
We start deep in the field. I slowest of my teammates a DGR Crosley, but that's alright. So here we come down the back straight and going through turns 3 and 4 right now. I feel like we have a good truck so you can get back to the front. We gotta make a pit stop in this race. So yeah, make one pit stop and yeah. So we come through turns 3 and 4, about to face the green flag here and everything. And yeah, here we come through 3. Woo, got a little spin there. Starting near the back of the pack here. And here we go. Thank you guys so much for watching this series. And here we go. We're about to face the green flag in the air, Texas. Turns 3 and 4, we want to gain a couple of spots on the start of the race here. And I've been in this racetrack in real life earlier this year, in April. It's really a good racetrack to go to. Try this high side, we might get high side at work. Three wide, Jordan Anderson and Josh Rayom here. Jordan Anderson will get the run off. Still 22nd position now. Going down in 3 and 4. I think we got like 64 laps, 66 laps on the tank gas, so let's see what we can do here. Just make my way to the front here in Texas. Oh, Jordan, come on, Jordan, come on, give me a break there. You want to cut me some slack there, so we'll come back, swing in. Here we go through 1 and 3 and 4. I can run my turns, I guess. Trying to get a run on Jordan Anderson right now, but we have a really good truck, really, I think, in my opinion. Just gotta get the right corner entry. I feel like the high side is gonna be. Ooh, yeah, the high side did bad. I qualified with Joe Nemechek. He has a good starting spot, but he can't stay there. That's why I was falling back a little fast. Okay then. Here comes 3 and 4. Ooh! I still got a grudge on Joe Nemechek right now. Oh my god. I should be in the top 20 right now. Like 16th place. Or 18th place. Yeah, here we go. After 2 bad races, Daytona and Martinsville, we lost a clutch there. I felt pretty sad about that. Here going these bend roads. We got a really good truck. We got a really fast truck, I'll say that. We're going for the 15th spot right now. Underneath Bend Roads. To the 16th position right now. Which is a really good run, starting like 28, 27. We'll try to clear Bend Roads off the corner. We will. We'll check it underneath Gus Dean. A little crossover move we did. That was beautiful. I don't want to make me cry. I feel like we have maybe the best truck in the field, I think. That's just me, though. I don't want to be biased or anything about it. Oh, Grant Enfinger, there's there. We can make a good run off the corner. Yeah, we still make a good run off the corner. Let's try to get Grant Enfinger down here in 3 and 4. Ah, here we go. Oh, they're going to be 3 wide. I'm almost off the corner right now. We're almost at the top 10 already. We're not even 10 laps into this race, probably. And we are almost in the top 10. We should be around 11th place right now. There's 3 wide behind me right now, so yeah, fun. Try to get Austin Hill here. We have a really good truck, I'll say that. There's Brett Moffitt, who had led the most laps last week at Martinsville. Yeah, oh, he's going to check off the corner. Up to the 11th spot right now. 10th place right now. Here we go through 1 and 2. Maybe get a run on these 2 cats up ahead of me. The draft help. 3 wide. We have a really good truck right now, I'll say that. Just trying to make more to the front right now. But we are only 10 laps into this race. 9 laps completed. Lap 10 right now. We're already in the 8th position now. After starting 27th, which is not bad at all. We'll be 3 wide off the corner almost. Nope. DGR Crosley, Toyota Tundra is hooked. It is really hooked. I'm 3 wide ahead of me. Oh man, this is not gonna be good off the corner. I feel like Texas is gonna be like one of my good trucks. We're being 3 wide. Underneath Harrison Burton. Poor Harrison Burton. And look at that. We're making some really good moves. This Kyle Busch has finished 2nd to me twice this season. And I'm about to pass him on the outside. From 27th to 3rd right now. We're running really good. 3 and 4. If I can get down in front of Brendan Poole, oh, that's not going to happen. Let's see what we can do here. Something interesting going to turn 1. Kyle Busch has led the most laps this season, I'll say that. We're in the 2nd position right now. Try to get Busch in 3 and 4 actually. Here we go. Kind of could get a run of 1 and 2. He's not driving away yet, but hell. The 2nd spot right now. Try to high side of 1 and 2. Didn't work as I wanted to. Try to get a run down the back straightaway. Maybe we can get a run to the 3 and 4. I don't know yet. I'm entering a little way lower than he is. He's actually pretty high off the racetrack right now. Off 3 and 4. Friesen has a really good run. As you remember last race, me and Kyle Busch, we weren't really friends after last week. Oh, trying to get a run on him. We can get a run in 3 and 4. He wrecked me and I wrecked him back. But he still finished better than me. So here we go through 3 and 4. Battling for a race. He's going to run off the corner, but I'm trying to get the entrance on 1 and 2. Here I go through 1 and 2. We're going to go for our 3rd win of the season today. And we're on clear Kyle Busch. Oh no, he's coming back. He is coming back. Good battle for the lead, I'll say that. Really good battle for the lead. But he has a great run on the high side. He's cleared me though, but we're going to try to get him again in 1 and 2. Got the clean air. Okay, I can clear him now. And we're going to be out front this time. You gotta feel bad for Kyle Busch because he's got to be frustrating. He's not running for a championship. He's just running part-time, so this is his last race in the 51 truck, so yeah. But we're running really good. I'm going to try to check out here. Yeah, way too high off turn 2. Ooh! Well, we went way high. At 1 and 2. It's higher than I wanted to go to. But we got our bonus point for leading a lap. But we're probably going to fall back quite a few spots. Back to the third spot. Oh, we're gonna go around. Just run around. Okay, I'd like to thank, oh, they're wrecking up there too. Oh, that's a big wreck right there happening. Be serious.
You okay, buddy?
Oh my god. That is a big wreck. They're still wrecking. Wow, that's crazy. Wow, that was a big wreck already. Oh my god. I think, yeah, we still got speed in this truck, so I'm not really worried about it. And let's see what happened. Let's just see what happened. It's just process of everything just happened here. They really started in front of the pack, really. The trial level is already so narrow enough. Let's see if we get a good angle with this. The helicopter. We were already going so tight in. It's just so narrow here. Just trying to get ready for the corner. He's coming up. I'm coming down. I try to hold the brake. And there we go around. And we go around. I hold the brake. Get Todd Gilliland, Austin Hill. I don't think I got that much damage. I got some damage, but I got a lot of damage out of that. But let's see what happened to Tyler Dippold here. He got some damage. Oh, he Ross Chastain and Corey Roper got together. There goes Corey Roper. Gus Dean goes around. Corbin Forster, bang! He like took out Gus Dean. Tyler Ankrum. Let's keep our eye on the 7 actually of Corbin Forster. He's about to get nailed by Jesse Little. He just like boom knocks him over upside down actually. Norm Benning gets a clock. Jennifer Jo Cobb, Natalie Decker. Let's go back there where Gus Dean is. Parker Clearman barely makes it. Austin Hill, Austin Terrio. And just let's look out from full speed ahead actually. Here's you got the first wreck right there. And yeah, oh, and there goes the second wreck. Around they go. Fucking core person. Whoa! Oof. See all this wreck happening here. But yeah, Josh Rayom, there's a lot of wrecks. But yeah, we'll be right back for the restart here from Texas. We're gonna go green with 62 laps to go here from Texas. I don't think we got a lot of aero damage. I think we're still competitive. Up with a small piece of tape in the grill, so we should be good here. And we're about to go back green flag racing here, and yeah, so what we do here. I don't know how much damage these guys have in front of me. Okay, Dusty has a lot more damage than I have. Getting pretty wide on them right now. Oh, this traffic up here. Look at this congestion we have up here. It's going to cause major problems. I'm just going to go right through here. Hey, how you guys doing? This is amazing work I'm doing. Wow. Look at all that, how that works out for me. That worked really good. We're almost in the top 10. Actually, we are in the top 10 right now. We're going underneath Sheldon Creed right now. Oh. And now we came to a lot of spots there, I'll say that. Back to the front here. Johnny, I didn't believe, get the fuck off me. Yeah, we got a little bit of aero damage, I'll say that. Oh, well, I think we can make it up in turn 1 though. We can make it up, definitely make it up in the turns. I said we make it up in turn 1 and 2. We lose on the straights pretty bad. Oof. Oh, I endured. Let's clear load. And I'm in the 10th position. Okay. Yeah, we got the engine damage just a little bit. After this was Martinsville, I wouldn't mind at all. But let's see what we knew here. If we keep the top 10, I'll be happy. The hell? Oh, great infamy. Timmy Hill's having another solid run. He was having a good run last week at whatchamacallit, Martinsville. Yeah, he had a good run at Martinsville until he crashed out. So yeah. Oh, Spencer Boyd got in the back of me right there. I saved it though. That's it counts. Just gonna block till it wrecks me. They're coming through 1 and through 3 and 4. Oh, we're just so slow right now. I don't know what to do. Just block. So all I want to do is block. All we could do. Yeah, really good corner speed, I'll say that. That's where we're making our speed. There we go, 3 and 4. We're not running that fast now, which is unfortunate. That's booty. I run most of this race with these drivers off my ass right now. Oz got good corner speed, I'll say that. Better than the other drivers. Nah, screw you, Spencer Boyd. You ain't passing me. 5 seconds back to Jordan Anderson. Wow, that's crazy. As long as we get a top 10, I think we should be happy. I'm fine with that. We're on a top 10. There we go through 1 and 2. Try to pull away from Boyd. Boyd getting 300 here. It's gonna be close to fuel. Yeah. I'm not saving any fuel. I don't think I can win the race, but hell, with this fuel strategy. Jennifer Joe Cobbs will hold up that. That's also Jennifer Joe Cobbs. She's just gonna lap down again. I don't know how many laps she's gonna be though. Gosh, she's so slow. I thought I was slow, but then I saw Jennifer Joe Cobbs right there. Oh, look at that. Is that Tyler Dipple up there too? That is Tyler Dipple. I gotta block and block. Block the high side. Oh no, we're 3 wide. No! I lost my top 10. Oh my god, watch out! Oh, just make it work here. Oh ho 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 ho! Yeah, that was awesome! That worked perfectly to my advantage. Hell yeah! I don't get excited out often, but fuck, that was cool. Cicerelli just passed off it. I want to battle for all the positions I can get. We're like 10 seconds, 5 seconds behind the leader right now. Not bad, but we got a draft of Brendan Poole right in front of me. So yeah, not too shabby, not too shabby. Bad. But here we go. Oh, Switch Bull going to try to make a move on me again. Just trying to come through turn 3 and 4 and have a solid day. What was our field strategy like? We're on our numbers, so really we can't run out. We are very on our number right now. Chris Cicerelli's a 1/2 seconds back. He's not gonna catch me. I see somebody have a problem in the top 10. Not gonna let Boyd by. He finished 11th at Texas in real life, so not too bad. I'm blocking you, Boyd. I want a top 10 finish. He's got 50 to go. Probably screw up somehow, some way. I'm hoping the tires actually eventually even. Oh, caution! caution the racetrack. What do I do? Let's race back to the line first. Sure, it is closed, but fuck, I don't want that caution. Looks like crash happened on the front straightaway. Let's see what brought up the caution flag. Looks like it happened in turn 1 and 2. Oh, Brett Moffitt! Just talking about him too. It looks like. Okay, he's running 14th spot. He just slows down all of a sudden. And boom! Jordan Anderson gets in the back. Angela Ruck, Tyler Ankrum, Natalie Decker. Oh, a lot of drivers. Everybody else? Oh, Austin Terrio. Is he smoking? Is Austin Terrio smoking after that? Nah, he just lost 2 weeks in a row. He loses something major. But yeah, we'll be right back for the restart. We're going to go down turns 3 and 4 here. There's only like 21 trucks left on this race, actually. Yeah, 21 trucks. 22 trucks left in this race. Except for Joe Cobb. Now, 11 trucks already DNF'd. It's like Martinsville, but Texas style. But my only hope right now is that lap traffic separates the field just a little bit. That's what I want. That's what I need here. Here our pace car is off. We're about to face the green flag once again here from Texas here. And here we go. I see that lap traffic. I probably regret this right here. Jennifer Joke, it's like they're standing still. Oh no, Spencer Boyd's. Oh, that's Sheldon Creed. Okay, it's like, oh no, Spencer Boyd got them outside. So we're in 9th place right now. Oh, Spencer Boyd, remember, we got to keep doing this shit, bro. Oh, no, they don't be double wide behind me. I don't need double wide. I can't block both lanes. Yeah, I can. I just did it. Just gotta try to drive with these boys right here. That's the block. I need to get every position I get. Even though I'm locked into the playoffs. I need to get every point I can get. Get on, get. Oh, if you're asking where Brennan Poole went, he kind of came down pit road. 170 miles per hour would be good around here. I guess it's not. Actually, we get a bump from the KBM truck. Kind of helps out a little bit. Oh, I went too high on 1 and 2. Actually, that's not alright. That's pretty alright. I'm gonna fault Timmy Hill here. Yeah, you can go to high side, Harrison. I can actually pass Timmy Hill. Holy shit! If I just get up to him, if I ever do. We're a half a second behind him. And we're catching him ever so slightly. Oh man, we're actually going to catch Timmy Hill. Oh hell yeah! I need to block Harrison Burton right there. Oh, it went too low. No, that's alright. That's alright. I think we're going to let one lap. Oh, we're halfway through this race. Whoopee. Gee, I didn't know we were that far in this race. Hell. I don't know what our field strategy is like. I don't know anybody's field strategy is like, but they're not pulling away as I thought they would. We'll chill out to get it. Still got a long way to go in this race, so hoping the tires will even itself out eventually. I'm trying to catch Timmy Hill here. I know he'll put up a good battle. Here we go, turns 1 and 2. Like, I know Timmy Hill was speed, but fuck, I didn't know. He's just a little bit faster in the straightaways. For his no-code truck, that's actually pretty good for him. Not gonna lie. Got a few hungry trucks behind me right now. Imagine there are starting parks in this game. That'd be pretty cool. Not gonna lie to myself about that. That'd be badass. If I get up to the high side, fuck. That's pretty much how it goes. Trying to get Timmy Hill here. Might get him to turn 3 and 4 or something like that. I don't know yet. I just need to have those guys. Oh, look at that. Traffic's right there. I can help you. That traffic is my best friend right now. I'm not gonna lie about that. Timmy Hill running good. He's been, past couple weeks, he's been running pretty good. I'll say that. Is he? Oh God, they're too wide behind me. I don't gotta worry about that a lot more. Let's just try to get Timmy Hill. That's all my goal is. If I pass Timmy Hill in this race, I'll be happy. Oh, lap trap's gonna kill both fine. Cross Chastain. Oh, lap trap just killed that high side right there. And they're nose to tail right now, so oof. Yeah, go, yeah. Yeah, Earl, get them out of the way. Oh, I'm gonna hit the apron, almost hit the apron, there. Oh! I go low. Oh, I'm almost so close to get past Timmy Hill! I don't know what to block. I'll block Ross. That's a mistake. We don't get past both of us anyways, well, what's the point of even trying, right? Actually, no, there's a lot of point. Oh, his tires are so bad. Come on, Timmy, don't brake check me. What the hell, man? Blocking for 10th place on the racetrack. Wait. Yeah, 10th place. Try to get a run off the corner here. I just need to get a run. That's all I need to run. Just going into one. This might be my chance right here. Fuck you, Timmy Hill. So slow. Lost the point. Position to Ross Chastain. Ross, get away from me, please. Thank you, Timmy Hill. You're slow. That's why you don't run full race. You're gonna try to block Ross Chastain. That's really a great idea. Josh Rayall running 13th. What a good run for that team once again. Come on, I just need to get that run. Get on gear, come on. It's starting to get tighter, ever so slightly. If I can hold this group off, I'll be happy. It'll feel like a win for me. I'm not gonna lie about that. So I get around this 87 car, truck, whatever it's called. Not right at all. I don't know how the people behind me are feeling. Oh hell yeah, I was drove by him. Thank you. Oh my god, that was hell. And we got 30 laps. Oh yeah, 33 or 35. We got 33 laps to go. And Timmy Hill just sank like a rock. That's how you know he's holding up everybody. God damn. Well, we're not going to win this race, but we still get a good finish. We still got really good corner speed, I'm not going to lie about that. Was it 33 or 32 to go? Yeah, it's 32 to go, okay. Oh, yeah. I'm just trying to save my race life right now. We've had good runs with this discount tire car, except Daytona, really. We're having a decent run right now, I'll say that, if you can call it that. I mean, Ross has not been able to pull away from me, so I'm not able to. I'm still faster than these guys behind me because I'm catching Ross Chastain. Oh well. Yeah, Ross is running a high line. I don't know why he is. Still got good speed in this truck, actually. Every lap I'm inching closer to Ross. Not a lot, but we're still coming closer. Timmy Hill fell all the way back to 12th place. I hit the apron just a little bit. Not turn the wheel that much. I'm not even really turning it that much. Just like a little here and there. Oh, Jennifer Jo Cobb's here again. Yeah, she's like so. They're both so slow. just so slow. Can you get them off the racetrack? I don't even know how fast they're going. I mean, they're running decent. I mean, for Darren for Joe Cal, that's like a good day right there. Let's see. Ross just catch them off the corner. Yes. Yes, thank you so much, guys. And that's how you gain positions here today at the lower speed. Like, much more to be running in the top 10. Josh Brown's running 12th. Okay. Oh, Todd Gillen's up there. He's dropping like a rock. Maybe I can make something happen. I don't know yet. I'm not gonna win a race, but hell, we can get a top 10 out of it. That's what I wanted, a top 10. Hell, it's not like the Canyon series where your top 10's like nothing. Because like a Chuck Buchanan can get a top 10. I can get anybody can get a top 10, honestly. Alright, here comes 3 and 4. Yeah, I'm holding. Yeah, I know I'm holding the group up, but hell, I need to. I'm holding points. I need a good race. And yeah. Our good advantage is turn 1 and 2 right now. Tires are starting to go away right now. That's the thing. How's tires? Yeah, they're not that bad. We're got 26 to go here. I don't know how field's going to turn out for those guys. I don't know, but running really good so far. Who's the race leader anyway? Oh, Dustin's ahead of us actually. Kyle Busch is the leader right now. Johnny Sauter in the second spot right now. Oh, Johnny Sauter won last week. Alright, here we come through 1 and 2. We got some decent speed in this truck, I'll say that. Decent, you know, I wouldn't say it's great speed. We got decent speed in this truck. It's like, how do I say, like a young motorsport type of run. Grabbing. And hey, speaking of the devil, there's 2 of them right here. This first lap traffic, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna get to that. Oh, it really tight. Tight. Oh, I went around. Dude, scoop it around. Josh don't hit me. Ross Chastain hit me.
Keep going.
Wait for my cruiser set. Wait for it. Okay, he's not gonna say it. Okay. I tried to block that, but it didn't work out. But yeah. So let's see what happened here. Yeah, I tried blocking that. That didn't work out as I thought. But yeah. Ooh, is Clear and get wrecked? No. Nah. Well, yeah, we'll be right back for the restart. Going into turns 3 and 4 here from Texas, and turn 17, really, we're not having a bad run. It's a decent one. We're running halfway through the field. We gained a lot of spots, so we gained 10 spots since the start of the race, so it's not bad at all. Here we come through turns 3 and 4. We'll face the green flag here. And, yeah, start behind teammate Tyler Ingram. So, yeah, we started a good stretch of block here. Here we are, and ready to go back green flag racing here today from Texas Motorsport. Hope. Ooh, we can pass Ray on. Yeah, we will. Alright, we're gonna pass some lap traffic. Oh, we're gonna move Austin Wayne himself onto the high side. Oh, we got a good run. Some good runs here. Actually, we're really gonna restart it. I'll give it that. We're really good at restarts here. See me, he'll be right behind. Where am I at? 12th place. Actually, has some decent speed left in this truck, so hell, we might have something left for these boys. We might have found something. It's called tires. What the fuck? What am I doing? What is this adjustment I make on this truck? Make it run so much better. Oh my god. That's amazing. We just drove right into the back of Harrison. What the fuck?
You're doing exactly what you need to do. Good job, man. Nice
We're up
job.
the hill.
Okay, so. Right. Still there on your
What the hell am I doing my adjustment? I feel like I am the superior crew chief.
work at the bottom. To the side.
Did I wreck myself with Harrisonburg? I forgot. And we're right back to 8th place. Wow. And I'm back to where I started. That's fucking lovely, actually. I like that. Tires are a wonder. Look at me. Look how much speed I gain on roads. Look how much I pull away from Burton. I just question tire wear and its beauty. I think we're going to get guaranteed a top 10. I guarantee the top 10. As long as we don't. I mean, we already 6. Tires mean everything. Holy hell. I can maneuver myself whenever I want to. And watch this.
Right.
Just drove past him like there was nothing. And I just got engine damage. What? All I gotta say is tires. It's like a Lance all over him, but I doubt I'm gonna win this race. I can surely give him a run for my money, I'll say that. Now we're in the 7th spot. We were better off. We got more damage. I just gained so much on these guys. It's crazy. There's pole setters, Sheldon Creed. Oh my god, tires mean so much.
Outside. Still there on your quarter outside.
Gonna come on, try to pass it for 6th spot here. So we're coming down to 13 to go here. We're really good. Hell, we might win this race. I don't know actually.
Still there at your door. Clear high.
Oh, we're gonna get the back of him. I need green flag laps. More green flag laps. Running in the 6th spot. Really? If you told me I was gonna wreck if I run the 6th spot, I would laugh at you like, haha, hardy, hardy, hard. Oh yeah, this is amazing. Oh, look, there's a lot of traffic right there. Running nose to tail, like always.
Yeah, man, keep it up.
Nah, we'll keep it. Let's try this high side out. Actually, no, let's try to get underneath Stewart.
Outside.
We got in the back of him too much. Regroup, block him. There's Ben Rhodes up there, actually. I don't know why I'm being so aggressive. I don't have to be. I gotta take the high side. I want him to. Yeah, just take the high side. That's just the safest route for me. Actually, no, wait, we got a really good. Oh no! You're fucking joking, right?
I'm throwing him, but he's blowing up. Fuck him, I know, man. Outside. Still there.
2 weeks in a row, really?
I think I really need to say this, though. We really gotta quit beating the car up. Clear.
You're joking, right?
Clear speed 45.
2 weeks in a fucking row.
No tires, no tires.
You're joking, man. Come on. Now, 2 weeks in a row, we blow an engine.
Get somebody to get a look at that fence.
You're joking. It's done. We're done again.
I'm looking, bud.
Come on. You're joking. 2 weeks in a row, we blow up. You gotta be joking. We're gonna finish 22nd. Great. We blow up again. We were so close to the finish too. A piston. We lost piston. Let's just win this race. Johnny Sauter wins the race again. This is not right. 22nd place finish. That's our 3rd DNF this season. We won 2 races. This is... Oh my god. Another engine failure. In 2 weeks. Johnny Soto wins the second race of the season. He's tied ones with me. Cowboys fell all the way back to 7. Wow. Let's take a look at the points and we'll go on from there. We're just falling now like a rock right now. Oh my god. 2 wins. We got a pole. That's our third DN up this season. It's crazy. It's this bad, really. But I was still in the playoffs. Barely, but yeah. Whoever's playoffs will start, they'll be Sauter, me, then Boyd, then Crafton, Chastain, Friesen, and Burton. Look at that. Oh, completed 90% of the laps. And, laps completed. Who's completed? Start of 391. I've completed 352. This is these engine failures are getting old. But yeah. Just ridiculous. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Ben Harnett, and I'll see you guys next time. Have an awesome day, guys.